with my seniors and my peers has really like motivated me and comforted me actually, because they're all really helpful. I'm attending an elective called the wellness session, and in that session we actually discovered that the people at the wellness session, they actually help you with all these tasks, and if you're worried about anything, they told us that they're always there for you, and that actually, comforted me as well. As someone who comes from a non-CS background, I was really worried about the coding and how I would be able to adapt with people who are like really good at writing out different languages. But in summer camp, we were able to write out a lot of code. I've been able to become better at problem solving as well. So that was my biggest fear, and it has been solved, thankful to the summer academy.
We decided to do activities with them. So we just randomly grouped them up and we asked them to solve a challenge. I noticed when we grouped them up into smaller groups, they were actually able to discuss what they felt like and what they were able to solve on that question. So I think activities and then just quizzes essentially help them to interact with each other.